Hey, how's it going, guys? It's John with Kingdom Marketing Lab, and I'm pretty excited to show you this three-part series on how to create a VIP club for your business. And the very first video that I'm going to cover in the series is text message marketing. So we all know your customers have cell phones. The question is your business utilizing text message marketing the way it should be to be able to reach out to your customers? So for all the ways to reach your customers, text message is by far one of the best ways to be able to reach out to your customers. That it literally has a 98% open rate. And here's some stats for you guys. Over 90% of text messages are read within the first 3 minutes. 91% of Americans keep their phone at arm's length at all times. And texting is the number one preferred channel of communication from businesses to customers. And text message sees an engagement rate 6 to 8 times higher than email marketing. So here are the 4 steps on how text message marketing will work, okay? First, you'll share it. So whether that's banners inside your business, whether that's a standalone right by the checkout counter, whether you're sharing on social media, there's a ton of ways to be able to get your VIP club known. And then 2, they'll join, the customers will join. 3, will deliver the discount or whatever promo you wanted to give out. And then 4, you'll see your sales increase. So here's an example of a couple text message offers. Up at the top, you see Lyman Cafe VIP Club special offer, 2 drinks, 2 buffets, only $18. Show text to claim offer on 4/27 only. See you soon. And this is a way to be able to get people in that same day. And then on the left-hand side, Cool Food VIP Club, buy 1 entree, get 1 free. Today only from 11 to 8. Show text to claim offer, and it gives the address. And here is a sample of something that you would put inside your business. As you can see, get 15% off your bill, text VIP to this number. And you can put this right by the checkout counter as well. Here's another sample of a free cannoli or iced tea. Again, text free to a phone number. And here is one more sample. It's a get a free drink and 10% off your meal instantly. Call or text, the phone number. What I love too is you can also do QR codes, which I'm a huge fan of. QR codes is a way to build a huge audience. So here's how it works, okay? The customer will see your promo and you'll ask them, would you like to join the VIP club? They say sure. Then they text free to a certain number that you give them. And then once you have a list with text customers, you can literally send out a text just like this one says, today only, BOGO offer, show text to claim. And you can get people in your door very, very quickly. So here's an example of how this would work. Let's say you have a list size of 1,000 people. The average transaction is $25. The estimated response is 8 to 12%. We've seen rates as high as 20%. And let's say we're going to send out 3 offers per month, okay? So we got 3 offers times 8% response rate times 3,000 messages. And how we got 3,000 is we have a list size of 1,000 and we're offering 3 offers a month. That's 240 redemptions, which means that's $6,000 that month that business made extra, or $72,000 per year. How amazing is that when it's just a simple text message? But what we're doing is we're getting in front of the customers the way that they like it, and that's through text message.